What's going on, everybody? My name is Vance Brinkley, and I am a digital fellow, a part of Montgomery Community Media.
Hi, I'm Min Shrivastava. I am also a DFI Fellow here at Montgomery Community Media for the summer. And
we're here to actually, I guess, testify.
That makes it sound like we're on court or something.
I know, right? Dun, 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 dun.
Like Law and Order, there
Yes.
are stories. You know, ever since we wrapped up filming 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
Yeah. We've been learning and seeing so many new things with how we had a story on paper and then we had it actually play out in front of us exactly how we anticipated.
Right.
We even got more than we bargained for. And now that we're in the editing phase of things, we have a very clear idea of how we want to format everything we have, and I'm really excited to put it together.
Right. I think the most important thing I'm learning here, because as somebody that has been working in media for about a decade or so, you get used to some of the things, some of the wild things that you see in this industry. And I think one thing that just being a part of this fellowship has showed me is that you could have a good team and you could still work with each other in media despite either having certain disagreements on where the story should go, how the story should be done. You can have a great team. That's one thing that I want you guys in our team to understand. This is what a good team should look like. A good team should be able to say, hey, I might not agree with this, I might not agree with this, but still work with each other and move.
Thanks MCM.